Again, I'll show you the process on this last one here. Using the nut as a stop for the chuck. So I'll put the threaded insert in and bottom it out. Then I'll put it up in the chuck and bottom out that nut against the face of the chuck there. Doesn't have to be very tight. And then I'll set the depth. Got the depth set with the limit stop. Next I'll center it on this hole. Put the insert back on the stud here. Heat it up about 30 seconds. Okay, I paused it a little so you wouldn't spare you the excitement of all that time heating up the part. There it is, last one. So I'll let these cool and I'll probably back it up with some CA adhesive. So that's it. I've pressed in some threaded inserts into the this thermoplastic, the 3D printed plastic. Here's the assembly that we were just working on. It's the for the Marlin Model 795 laser module. We pressed in the threaded inserts using the drill press, setting the limits to establish the depth, and heated up the threaded inserts. They're brass. We heated them up with a torch and then switched to a heat gun when the butane ran out. And what's left is to install the laser module, the battery, and a little bit of wiring and some adjusters for the to be able to zero the module to the battery.